Winter rain is falling down tonight. Silver lights across the street. I walk alone beneath the freezing sky, with tired shadows at my feet. The cafe closed an hour ago, but I still stay nearby, 'cause every little corner of this town still holds your goodbye. Cold wind carries memories too heavy to forget, and every breath I take tonight still tastes like regret. Her name in the cold wind, still drifting underneath my skin. Saxophone crying through the dark, like it knows where love has been. Acoustic strings beneath the rain, trying hard to numb the pain, but every lonely road I take still somehow leads to her again. Streetlights flicker pale and blue, like old photographs at night. I still remember dancing slow beneath those city lights. A stranger passes wearing your perfume,